There have been many important tools discovered throughout human history, but in the field of science, not many have reached the level of the microscopes. Microscopes have been key in science for several centuries and are still going through breakthroughs in their development up to this day. This is where the fluorescence microscope comes in. A fluorescence microscope is unique in its function, as it operates using a special light-emitting molecule, one that is engineered to bind to a determined cell structure or molecule, giving it a high level of signal specificity. Whereas optical resolution is typically limited to around 200 nanometers, so-called super-resolution fluorescence microscopes use special techniques to beat this limit, at the cost of being typically bulky and very expensive. Scientists at the University of Tromsø are proposing an alternative to this problem. The core of their research lies in photonic chips, which they use to replace the slide carrying the sample. Optical waveguides on the chip are used to activate the fluorescence in a sample, allowing to implement high-resolution fluorescence techniques on basic fluorescence microscope setups. The use of photonic chips as opposed to the conventional methods brings different advantages. For example, simple multicolor TIF. Excitation at different wavelengths do not require mechanical adjustments between them. Large area TIF. Independent excitation and collection optics allow for a flexible field of view. High refractive index materials allow for higher resolution. Higher frequency illumination can push specific techniques beyond conventional limits. Multimodal super-resolution. Different super-resolution techniques can be implemented at the same field of view. Integrated optics elements. Components such as laser sources, switches or phase modulators allow for highly compact and fast systems. And low price tag through mass production. The future of microscopy is bright with possibilities, and the implementation of more accessible super-resolution setups could allow for many new discoveries. Chip-based microscopy is under continuous development, and the task of commercializing it lies with the spin-off company ChipNanoImaging.